This is our new project. 2007 Audi A8L, 4.2 liters, V8, 350 horsepower. Our new baby. I guess like some of you, I got all excited about this car on the movie Transporter 2. The first time that I saw that movie and I saw an Audi, I was hooked. That's how I got obsessed for it. That's how it got started. This is the best part. It's ours. We paid around $2,000 for this car, which is quite nothing compared to the amount of features that you can get. Remember, this is top of the line Audi back in the day, 2007. You get all the nice features like the hey, you have the full exterior lighting, the doors close by itself. You get air suspension, the beautiful sound from the 4.2 liters V8 making 350 horsepower. Car came with two set of wheels, the original ones and also 20-inch wheels. We're gonna test which ones is the best. I think you already saw some of those ones on the pictures that we posted before, but I think I switched those ones for the originals. Makes the car looks better. And the interior is beautiful, all leather with wood trim. But I knew the dream couldn't last forever, and we hit the wall at 100 miles per hour. All the lining looks like a Christmas tree. Get some headlight issues, or maybe some bulbs that needs to be replaced. Also the air ones, the air suspension. The engine light was coming out because we removed the MAF sensor. Our first goal is to fix all the things that are wrong with this car. With that, then we can pass a safety test. Let's get to work. I think it needed to be changed. Big difference. A little bit, right? A little bit. We did the regular maintenance for this car. So we changed the air filters, we did an oil change, we also did a brake service on our 4 wheels, we changed some of this rotor brake pads and everything. But the most important thing that we fixed is the ABS pump. We changed the control module for the ABS, changed that module, and everything is working fine now. Oh boy, you have no idea. That was really hard to take it out without removing the entire pump. ABS lights, ESP on. That's something that needs to be fixed by coding the new ABS module. Whoa! We did it! Oh my goodness, we just did it! We just removed the ABS and the ESP lights off. Woo! Oh man, I'm so happy. Woo! Let's go! Go! We still have a long way to go to fix this car and to pass safety. We ordered a bunch of parts that are still in transit, so we're waiting for them to arrive. I'm so happy with the progress and can't wait to have her on the road. We have done already so much stuff in the car. Basic maintenance, oil changes, filters and everything. We still have a lot of things that needs to be done on this car, just to bring it to the former glory. Well, the car's still not ready for safety, but we're almost there. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what type of mods would you love to see. We have some crazy ideas, and thank you for watching.